This is step by step on how I painted my yozma. We got blue candy and blue metallic. Let's go sand it. So you use water and scuff paste and scuff fat and you just scuff it up. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make paint stick to plastic. I spray this before the primer so the primer can stick to the plastics. This is how it looks primed. Mixing silver. After I spray silver, I mix clear and put flake in it. This is spraying the clear with the flake in it. This is how it looks after I sanded it and taped it up. Spraying the blue metallic. Spraying black outlining. Taking off the tape. Putting candy paint over everything. Took off the tape to put more candy on top. This is how it looks cleared. These are parts, I'm going to put them on the bike. Now I'm going to put it together. This is the finished product. I changed it up a little. What do you think?